OPPO has just launched globally the new Reno 14 5 grams. This is quite relevant because although it had already been presented in China, manufacturers sometimes tend to make changes when they release the global version. However, in this particular case, there doesn't seem to be any obvious or significant change. But let me describe this device in detail point by point, starting with the design. It is a 7.4 millimeters thick and weighs 187 grams. A truly remarkable aspect is that it boasts IP68 and IP69 ratings for resistance to both water and dust. In this instance, it will be available in two color choices, luminous green and opal white. Its display features a 6.6-inch AMOLED panel with a resolution of 1.5K, specifically 2760 by 1256 pixels. It provides a refresh rate of 120 Hz and a peak brightness that can reach up to 1200 nits. Additionally, it is safeguarded with Gorilla Glass 7i, which may not be the very top of the industry, but in my opinion it offers good protection. In terms of sound, we find a stereo system, and in the cameras, we will start with the front camera, which features a 50 megapixel sensor equipped with autofocus. It can record video in 4K at 60 frames per second, making it a highly competitive front camera. Regarding the rear camera, it includes a triple camera setup. This consists of a 50 megapixel Sony Lithia 600 main sensor, which also has optical stabilization. Then you have an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and to complete the setup, there's a 50 megapixel telephoto camera featuring a 3.5 times optical zoom capability with optical stabilizing. So, it seems to me that this is a highly competitive camera system, and it's really great news that it isn't exclusively for the Pro model. When it comes to the telephoto camera, Samsung's JN5 isoscale sensor is used. We will definitely need to put this system to the test, but it appears to be quite interesting, especially considering that this is a mid-range device. The battery is another one of its strong points, with a massive capacity of 6000 mAh. This in theory, hopefully in practice, it will translate into good autonomy. It supports fast charging by 80 watts cable, although it does not support wireless charging. As for the software, we are going to have ColorOS 15 based on Android 15, probably with the whole kit of artificial intelligence functions that OPPO has used to incorporate in the Reno series. For performance, runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, accompanied by LPDDR5 times RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. It also features a cooling system with a vapor chamber, measuring 4,700 square millimeters, designed to help maintain optimal performance even during extended gaming sessions and similar activities. Regarding its price and availability, it's interesting because this device has been announced in Japan. It is set to go on sale on July 17th, but they have not disclosed the price, which is quite unusual. But let me ask you, with its 350 megapixel cameras and a 6000 mAh battery, do you think OPPO has discovered a successful formula to compete in the mid-range market, or do you prefer other features? Please let me know in the comments below.